This is the home of the Hurricane Hunters, the only military unit in the world to fly directly into a hurricane and collect data on a routine basis. We'll meet one of these hunters a little later, but first, let's learn more about hurricanes. A hurricane is a violent tropical storm with damaging winds and torrential rain. Hurricanes can form in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Hurricanes are given other names in different countries, such as a typhoon in Southeast Asia, a baguio in the Philippines, and tropical cyclones in Australia.
How does a hurricane form?
A hurricane gets its energy from the warm, moist air at the ocean's surface. As this air ascends to form clouds, more air is drawn into the hurricane. Winds spiral inward, and we begin to see the familiar shape of a hurricane. At the center of a hurricane, the air descends, forming a very quiet eye with a ring of clouds surrounding it. The weather in the eye is much different from the weather surrounding it. The winds grow calm, and the sky may clear. Surrounding the eye are bands of heavy rains and very high winds. When a hurricane comes ashore, it brings high waves, severe flooding, and wind damage. Hurricanes uproot trees, smash buildings, and destroy power lines. When we want to know if a hurricane is going to affect us, we turn to meteorologists. Meteorologists are scientists who study the causes of weather, like hurricanes, and try to predict where they will go after they've formed. More accurate forecasts will help prepare people well in advance of an approaching hurricane, and in turn, help save lives. For more on how meteorologists predict hurricanes, we came to the Weather Channel here in Atlanta, Georgia.
Well, Jennifer, in order for meteorologists like me to predict hurricanes, we need to know at least 4 variables: temperature, moisture, air pressure, and the most important, wind.